charm. Listen close, what do you hear? Animal sounds far and near. Something else say moo moo, eating grass the whole day through. Hen says cluck cluck cluck, lays her eggs with gentle pluck. Woof 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 woof, chasing tails on the garden roof. Meow 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 meow, stretching long with a gentle bow. Jumping over near and far. Horses neigh neigh neigh, running fast through fields all day. Day. Quack quack quack, swinging smoothly front and back. It says oink oink oink, rolling round in muddy point. Let's clap hands and sing along. Animal sounds make a happy song. Moo and meow and quack and bark. Let's go play